So today in this video, I'll show you how to download the older version of CapCut PC. So this is a step-by-step video. After you open up your PC, all you have to do now, go ahead now and open up your browser. I'm using Chrome browser for this video. After you open your Chrome browser, go to this website, up to down trend. So uptodown.com. So go to this website, uptodown.com, and tap on enter. So after you open the website will open it like this for you. After you come to this website, all you have to do now, if you are using Windows, all you have to do just tap on this option and select Windows. But if you are using Mac OS, so just go ahead now and choose this Mac OS. After you choose this Apple, so from there it will give you all the applications for the Apple. So after you open the website, just tap on the search. After you tap on the search, go ahead and type in CapCut. So after you search for CapCut like this, now here is the CapCut, so tap on it. So if you scroll to down now, so tap on this older version. As you can see now here it says Ultra's version, tap on this option. So the website is used in other language, not English. Just scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now here is now all different CapCut version. So if you want to get the older version that will not update it and they will allow you to use it, so scroll to down and choose this one, the version 4. This version. Here is it now. Yes, this version 4.4 or for version 3.9. So choose this one of them. So for this video, I will use version 4.1. So it's the best version that will not update. So just tap on it. So after you tap on the CapCut, just scroll all the way to down and tap on this download button. After you tap on this download button, from there the CapCut will start downloading. So if you come to this site, here you'll be able to see the CapCut has started downloading. So now after the CapCut has finished downloading, all you have to do now, if you want to see the CapCut, just open up now, tap on this three dot at the top right side and go to download. So from this option now, here is CapCut. After it finishes downloading, you can just tap on the CapCut by this option. From there it will give you option to install the CapCut. After you finish installing the CapCut, from there you can use all the CapCut features that are allowed for you to use without paying for the pro version. So this older version of CapCut will allow you to use the CapCut without paying for the pro version. So make sure to use this older version, that's version 4.1. Is the best version to use it without asking you to like sign off or to pay for something. And that's it, guys.